This Century 21 Results Property video is presented by Mandy Newton. Unicorn Alert. One-of-a-kind exceptional floor plan in sought-after South Forsyth HS District. Primary and secondary ensuite bedrooms on main. Plus a half bath. The wow factors are endless. Enormous kitchen island. Walk-in pantry. Two-story great room and a keeping room, both with stacked stone fireplaces. Outdoor kitchen west/double covered entertainment areas. 3-car garage. Mudroom west/drop zone. 3 spacious secondary bedrooms upstairs west/walk-in closets and loads of extra storage space. Level fenced backyard. This property is extraordinary in every single way. The warm and inviting curb appeal sets the stage for the welcoming interior. Rich hardwoods are complemented by a coffered ceiling in the dining room and a glorious wall of windows and perfectly stained floating shelves in the 2-story great room. Modern kitchen is superbly designed for preparing, serving and entertaining. Stainless steel appliances, including 5-burner gas cooktop with professional-grade ventilation. Huge granite island seats up to 6. Adjacent keeping room is super cozy and could also serve as a fireside eat-in kitchen. The primary suite on main is a true retreat, featuring a spacious sitting room with direct access to the back covered porch. A spa-like bathroom with soaking tub and separate shower is completed by his slasher closets. The ensuite guest bedroom on main is filled with lots of natural light and has a generously sized walk-in closet. Mudroom, laundry room and half bath are conveniently located near the kitchen, yet also tucked away from view in this thoughtfully designed open floor plan. Al fresco dining, entertaining and cooking are seamlessly woven into the overall layout of this spectacular property, especially in the evenings when the professionally installed low-voltage lighting gracefully showcases the lush landscaping. Room for a pool, just peek over the fence to see the neighbor's amazing inspiration. Not to be outdone by the magical main level, the upper bedrooms, closets and bathrooms are remarkably large and suitable for alternate uses such as office, home theater, gym, etc. Architecturally designed to take advantage of all available storage space, you will love the finished attic space adjacent to the middle upstairs bedroom. This home is not only a haven of comfort, but is also conveniently located. Enjoy easy access to retail, grocery, top-rated schools, major travel routes, restaurants, medical facilities, parks, Halcyon and Avalon. For those west/a passion for cars or in need of extra storage space, the 3-car garage is a valuable asset. It's not just a place for vehicles, it's a place for hobbies, sports gear and more. This home offers the perfect blend of luxury, convenience and space, in a highly desirable swim and tennis community. For more information, review the details below.